Hello, we've just installed an Ikea blind in our downstairs bathroom, so I thought I'd show you how we did it. Now, just before I do that, a couple of quick things. This is the blind itself. I think it's really nice. It's nice and sheer. It works really easily. You just need to put it down to wherever you want it to sit, and then you let go and it just stops just like that. So very, very simple to use and operate. As you may be able to see, behind that we've got frosted glass, so we didn't have complete visibility into this room before, but we found that actually you could still see people's shadows in here, so we just wanted to add this extra layer for increasing the privacy basically, but we didn't want to completely block out the light, so this blind from Ikea was a really nice option. We're really happy with the look of it. Quick word before I show you how we did it about actually choosing blinds. We were going to go down a different route. We had this blind from Blinds to Go, and that was a made to measure blind. Now I won't tell you the whole long boring story, but basically cost a lot more than the Ikea blind, didn't come with insurance, so when it arrived and it wasn't the right size, we couldn't actually send it back. Now their interpretation of what was the right size and our interpretation were quite different. We didn't like the way it didn't completely fill the space. They said tough luck, basically it was within their tolerances, so we couldn't send it back. We actually ordered 2 blinds at that time, so we now have 2 blinds which we aren't happy with the size of, that we can't send back. Other companies apparently who sell these kind of made to measure blinds do include insurance, so if you're going down the made to measure option, look out for something that does, because there's actually quite a good chance that you won't be happy with what you're sent. So if you've got the option to send it back, it's better than the situation we're in with 2 blinds that we don't want to use. But this one is lovely. Luckily it fit perfectly from the shop just outside the window like that, and fits really, really snugly, so we're really happy with it from that perspective. Let's show you how we did it. I hope you found that useful and it gave you a flavour of how easy these blinds are to install. As you can see, Steve and my other half did it single-handedly and made it look very easy. So I would recommend to anyone that it's worth a try. Just one thing to add is that we use the brown wall plugs because we were drilling into masonry. Just check what you're drilling into so that you can select the appropriate wall plug. Of course, if you're drilling into plasterboard, you'll need a plasterboard fixing, so just a little point to remember. But that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love it if you subscribed. I post lots of home content, renovation ideas, renovation tips and home hacks and so on. So it would be great to see you back very soon. But that's all for today. Bye bye.